nimefurahi sana bibi yangu. Umenipatia mtoto wa kwanza na anakuambia hata ukiwa tayari nitakupea mwingine.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
I'm readying myself.
Yes. Nyumba hii atia?
Yararame.
Yararame. Na wewe na gukuja ukihendia ngiati.
Kira mwekani mwana mureraga hamwe mutiendere mwendete.
We atiriri ndikigo ikuru nadu. What's wrong with people?
Ni mwana ucio tumaga.
Nyumba gwaku ri.
Yes.
Nyumba gwaku ni malavidavi. Na wakira mutumia ni ngatho muno. Ndu wanginya uona tukinyite. Na ni hinya wanga. You are even invoking the name of God.
Yes.
Na invoke ukinya ritwa ria mwathani. Ati nakwambia I'm so happy. Ukanyita rukana kau by the way ugakarora. Nikakinya mieri na mieri itandatu no karakura nikambia guthie na maguru na riu hindi ona urakiaria na mutumia ngukimurore ukimwendete no anyita.
Yes.
Na ninagukunjorera urera ari angi amaridi lakini niwe napenda
huyo tunakaanga naye sababu ya mtoto.
Tunakaanga naye sababu ya mtoto.
Unajua sasa niliona badala ya kumfukuza na aende na mtoto wangu na mimi napenda mtoto. Mtoto hakuwa na shida.
Ni wewe na huyo mtoto mimi napenda.
Ma,
niwe na huyo mtoto.
Mimi nakupenda.
You know, yeah, it's a girl named after my mother.
Yes.
It's a girl.
The most precious gift I have ever gifted myself. Imagine my mother.
Ni katika hii dunia mimi napenda watu watatu.
My mother, na wewe, na mtoto.
Na huyo mtoto.
I can do anything for you.
Nagabo ikitono wako ria wetagwo Kirimerire. Akameria munyongoro duano rurigi gataratari kana gekira gwa iguru
nginya kuyamerie guoko kwa mute
akuyaguizie mute uria wothe akuyamerie mute ucio maheni matheri
na ni aramenya ni maheni.
And when still you go back into that house,
yes,
you know, sometimes you even don't understand. When you still go back into that house,
yes,
there is the warmth. Na maundu maya makiragirwo mutumia riu wa mburi tondu maundu maria meragirwo mutumia wa mburi muthuri ni makorwo me mutigaru muno na andu angi makona gukunja.
Yes,
yeah, makorwo metafauti muno.
Yes,
they are different. Mareragirwo no arathi na mbere na kwirirwo ona uria gwikirwo no arathi na mbere na gwikirwo
na kuhingirio.
Riria mukahitania utuike ati muiretu uri ati ni mahitania na kanda ino ni wacoka kuhingukirwo agakirwo we wari wa good time.
Yes, ihinda rĩa kũrĩu nĩ ithiru.
Yes. No riu ni acio riu aria mekuo tha eno ri maraingira mari ogi mo everything.
Ni aramenya you just want to have fun.
Taru miaka ino yothe ndurite njugite ati ndina nyina wa mburu mundu angiuka gukwa gwika atia na no mokaga.
Toma, can we name them?
That's still coming.
Na ni maona maiguaga. Yes.
And audacious by the way.
Yes.
Yeah.
Audacity.
And they have no choose.
No.
Yeah, they'll tell you I know.
Yes, kwani yeye ndiye anataka si mimi wewe nimeobeniambia.
Si ndio?
Yes, yeye ni.
Alenda ndimwire atia. Ndimwire ati I'm married but it is you I love. I'm married but it is you I love.
The part of being married I know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
I know you by would it come to you if you are not married?
Na nimakwira okego mundu akwira atiri mimi hata kama utanipenda mimi nakupenda.
Ukaange ukijua hivyo. Whatever you do with that information is up to you.
Ewe bana idera. Niti wathi ukina rwimbo ruria ruria ndikane rwa njeru kane ruria
wow
rwa Charles ndikane rwa njeru kane rwa ida rwa njeru kana Charles wa cira rwitagwo nguthie ngimomoraga
ni wa cira
ndi wathi ukimomora hayo mathabahu rukibomoa ewe no you see is unfortunate, very unfortunate. Na ni uwe unajua atiriri kutwali uhoro wa maviu Unataka kuikelea atia?
Yes.
Unataka nikufanyie nini? Na nimekuja nimekwambia ati I'm married but it is you I love.
Yes.
What is that? Hiyo hata ni laini ya aina gani? What? The conversation ya nateo.
No.
Every conversation ya with them all. Now is this guys. Mwashoka nyumba kera mutumia, I love you so much. And I cherish you a lot.
Yes.
And I don't know what I could be without you.
If it were not you.
If it were not you.
Yes.
Ukamuganai. Akaigua wegai. Akaigua wegai.
Yes.
No washoka imira bypass ri. Mwena mundu na turaigire anywe muratina na guku ri. Etago.
Okay, ni govia.
Mwena govia ri.
Na sha usikaru no thaya.
Bwaza mania no shoka mwira I'm married but it is you I love. Okay, what go feel like I got? Oh yes, yes, yeah. I know he's married. Yeah, he's married.
But I know he loves you.
Yeah, and I know he loves you.
Ojara kani go feel.
Ojara kani go feel. I think it's true. Yes. Yeah, he's married. Yeah, he's married. But I know it is you he loves.
Yes.
What is that? Ukagiroko twakinyire hau atia riu twakire tugikinya atia hau. And that's where we are.
Yes.
Yeah. You see, miaka yakwa riu ria ndi nayo ri ti ya gukwira ni ngwendete.
Asa. Asa.
Ona ti ya gukagukora ati twari uhoro wa nyina wa mburu ati nigetha egie na good time nawe.
Asa.
Miaka yakwa ni open ri. Maito renda atia. Saturday no ndiro ata ndi firikiasi.
Ni ore ongenjira.
Wethere ni nika kuhurira.
I'll wait, no problem.
Wethere ni nika kuhurira.
I'll wait, no problem.
Oga tujue giru base.
Yes.
What is that? They are married but it is you. It is you I love.
Yes.
Ona ndio ungemeta ki. Ni utapeli wa hali ya juu.
Yes.
Conmanship game. Conmanship game.
Yes.
And let me tell you, nito kwenda twarageria rume. Haha. Ona tia uthie na ngano cia your wife.
Asa. Asa.
Siana na hizo story.
Go straight to the point.
Haitakusaidia.
Unajua ni ukora uko nayo.
Haitakusaidia. Yes. Tia uthindo kigera na guku kona ini ura ati ugukagana ritwa ria waki. Ndoire ucio kamwira ona ati sasa ni nini? Ni nini? You go straight.
Yes. Saturday ndai kuruka na Ivasha na ndirona thabari utengera ihande wiki.
Wena mundu akunyumagaria.
Nda mundu twathie nake. We available.
Turathie kwenja mburi.
Marira. Kweta marira ka malewa.
Ndabata kwenja mburi maitu.
We available Saturday tuthie.
We available.
Na twathie tutiracoka. It's okay.
To her is road trip.
Utanipick wapi?
To her is a road trip. To her. You is business.
Adiko moto.
Adhi kwenja.
Nakiarona. Adhi malewa.
We arona guthie malewa adhi kwenja mburi. Ndijuke agwate ndina yate ngikoya tengano cia nyina wa mburu.
Twahitanirie nake. Twahitanirie nake ndo aciana.
Nake ndo aciana. That must be a very weak man.
Yes.
What am I doing there? Kama hatusikizani sinasonga nikisongaga.
Yes.
Watu asialetwa na.
Wewe na ungekirige ikarite naye.
Jaguo corona ndi gwaku hindi ndirakwira ati tuikaranagia ni undu aciara. Waguo kokorana guku uguo. Ucemania ngakuragia ati wewe uikaraga ku.
Yes. No njoke ngikara ku thiko igiri ithatu.
Ugakenjira jikaraga na nikagura jikaraga mirema. He mutumia ndahikitie na nitwatiganire.
Na ka kasarani.
Jikaraga mirema. Njoke taru kwena he uguo twikirane rugari. Tinga no tinga. They are married but it is you I love.
Ai kwira gwakwa ni available. No ugithukomborire kundu kungi.
Ucio niguo arauga.
Ni Ndoi nake onake ti married we no ni married.
Wai tigana nake. Azara nae Kenya eno ni njari. Azara nae Kenya eno ni njari. How do they fall into these tricks?
Yes.
Mitego-inĩ ĩno na ici nĩcio tũrũgano tũrĩa tũhũthagĩrwo nĩ anake mehũrika rĩrĩa 35 gũcoka na thĩ. Hao ndio wanatumianga hizo style.
Yes. Mũndũ aya marage kana kamwe kana twĩrĩ.
Acio nĩo maima na gũkũ meraga airĩtu atĩ I'm married but it is you I love. Ithuĩ watũkora tũkũragia na githĩ to ũkĩũĩ.
Sasa sinajua tu.
Very good. Uko available Saturday?
Give me nipe form, nitolee form.
Saturday nĩngambata na gũkũ kĩrĩa na gũkũ Nyahururu harĩa kĩrĩa Ndaragwa mĩtĩ yakwa ĩratemwo hau.
Nisa, you can tag me along. Can I come with my friend?
Unaweza kuja na yeye, hata Gofi anakuja. Gofi tuko naye. Bodo sio ndio na Gofi. Oka.
Ona nituthĩnjĩte
tũgathĩnja.
Tũgereka kũrĩa ndomba.
Na tũkĩambata Ngaigua nyina Mbũrũ akĩhũrĩra. Ũkinyĩte kũ?
Nĩ hingo twahĩtũka Girigiri.
Nĩ ũgĩthire. Nĩ ũgĩthire.
Niko kinya.
Nikifika nitakwambia.
Yes.
Na kinya kuu kahura nyamũ ĩrĩa ĩtagwo video call.
Yes. Mũgũnda-inĩ ndomba ikĩrĩa kũu ũguo na kũrĩa mĩtĩ ĩratemwo.
Hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ta mũhiki ehithe na mũtĩ ũmwe. Nonsense. Ehithĩte na mũtĩ ũmwe. Nonsense.
Ladies and